It's crucial to evaluate how we manage our tasks and time. In the previous episodes, we saw how Riya transformed her mornings and tackled her afternoon slumps. Today, we'll explore how she learns to prioritize her tasks and to enhance her productivity. Despite improving her mornings and afternoons, Riya still felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks she had to complete. She often found herself jumping from one task to another without making significant progress on any of them. One day, Riya's to do list included preparing a presentation, responding to emails, and working on a report. She kept switching between tasks, and by the end of the day, none of them were completed. Like Riya, do you often feel overwhelmed by your tasks? How do you currently manage your to do list? Let us know. Riya, who is a part of our community, was introduced to the Eisenhower Matrix, a powerful tool for prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, that is the first quadrant. Tasks that need to be done immediately and is important. Second is tasks that are important but can be done later. Third is tasks that need to be done quickly but are not important. That means you can delegate. Fourth one is tasks that are neither urgent nor important and can often be deleted. So she decided to apply this matrix to her list of tasks. She categorized her tasks accordingly and realized that many of her urgent tasks were not actually important. This helped her focus on what truly mattered. To complement her task prioritization, Riya also learned about time blocking. It's a technique where you allocate specific blocks of time to different tasks throughout the day. She blocked out her morning for the presentation, her afternoon for emails, and her late afternoon for the report. This structured approach helped her stay focused and she was able to make significant progress. Have you tried using a task prioritization method like this? How do you currently manage your time? Share your thoughts with us. Today we followed Riya as she learned to prioritize her tasks and manage her time effectively. We saw how using the matrix and time blocking technique helped her stay organized and focused. Please remember, prioritizing your tasks and managing your time can significantly enhance your productivity and reduce stress. In the next episode, we'll follow Riya as she learns to set long-term goals and stay motivated. So please stay tuned, and if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, rate and leave a review. Your feedback helps us improve and reach more listeners. Thank you for joining us on this productivity journey. You have the power to transform your habits and achieve personal freedom and independence.